Hello everyone, I am Vamik Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law, Legal. I am currently legal intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. Today's my presentation topic is role of judiciary in the country today. So let's start the topic. Any judiciary is an integral part of a country. We all know that. Especially democracy, and our democracy is the largest democracy in the world. As India is the largest democracy, we have a big judiciary which makes sure it safeguards the interests of its citizens. Similarly, our Supreme Court is at the top of our judiciary system. It is then followed by our high courts which operate at the state level. Further, there are district courts operating at the district level. There are also many more courts below this order. A judiciary has many roles to play. Role of judiciary in India. Here we describe role of judiciary in India. As a judiciary is an independent of the executive, we all know that judiciary is separate from the executive, so it can easily safeguard the rights of the citizens like fundamental rights, etc. To ensure peace and harmony, it ensure peace and harmony between among the citizens of India. However, its role is not just limited to this. It plays different roles to make sure there is smooth functioning in the country. Firstly, it plays a great role in making new laws. Judiciary is the rightful interpreter of our constitution as well as the current laws. It has the power, we all know that judiciary has the power to create laws as well as overrule policies that might violate our constitution. Furthermore, the judiciary also prevents any form of violation of the law. Similarly, it files a lawsuit against the person found guilty of doing the same. After that, a judge passes his verdict after listening to both parties closely and announces the judgment accordingly. Moreover, it also acts as an advisory body. We all know that it is also as an advisory body. It happens more than often that the executive or legislature seeks helps from the judiciary to clarify issues regarding the constitution. Moreover, the judiciary decides upon the constitutional questions. For instance, if there is a dispute between the states and central, the judiciary plays a major role to clear the dispute. They are brought to the Supreme Court where it decides how to interpret the constitution of on the basis of the ongoing dispute. In addition, it also looks after the administrating bit, like it is responsible for appointing officers, maintaining records and administrating staffs and more. Most importantly, the judiciary is the protector of the fundamental rights. We all know that judiciary is the most protector of the fundamental rights of the citizens. Every people has the right of fundamental rights. However, sometimes people try to make them away. Thus, the judiciary ensures no such things happens and lets every citizen with harmony. Importance of judiciary in today's scenario. A judiciary is very crucial in upholding a democracy like ours. As we all know, cases of injustice against people have risen nowadays. There is unjust discrimination. There is unjust discrimination happening, and the judiciary must step in stop all this. Therefore, it becomes important more than ever to help people within, feel safe within their own country and homes. Judiciary checks and balance the ones who have power. This helps in preventing people from misusing the power. In short, in today's scenario, our country, where crimes are happening rapidly, we all know that in our country crimes are happening rapidly. Thus, people turn to the judiciary for justice. Thus, we see how it is very important that judiciary remains just and empowered in the times of the darkness. Sometimes it remains the single ray of hope for people which is why it is needed more than ever now. So that presentation is only for education purpose. So if you have any question, please mention in the comment box, and please like, share and comment, and subscribe the channel Lexis and Company Law Firm. And thank you and have a nice day.